How to open a Rocket account. Intro. Imagine you're sitting at your desk, frustrated. Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of bills and expenses? Ever wished for a financial tool that could help you streamline your finances and achieve your financial goals? Well, today, I'm going to introduce you to Rocket, a digital platform designed to make personal finance a breeze. Hook. But before we dive into the specifics, let's ask ourselves, why Rocket? What sets it apart from other financial apps? Building context. Cut to a montage of people struggling with their finances, late payments, overdrafts, and missed opportunities. In today's fast-paced world, managing personal finances can be overwhelming. That's where Rocket comes in. It's like having a personal financial assistant at your fingertips, helping you track your spending, set budgets, and even invest. Main content: opening a Rocket account. Transition to a screen showing the Rocket app or website. Now, let's get down to business. How do you actually open a Rocket account? Step-by-step guide. Download the app or visit the website. The first step is simple. Just search for Rocket on your App Store or visit their website. It's available for both iOS and Android. Create an account. Once you're on the app or website, you'll be prompted to create an account. Enter your basic information, such as your name, email address, and password. Verify your identity. Rocket takes security seriously. You'll need to verify your identity by providing some additional information, like your phone number or a government-issued ID. Link your financial accounts. This is where the magic happens. Rocket allows you to link your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions. This is how it tracks your transactions and gives you a comprehensive view of your finances. Explore Rocket's features. Now that your account is set up, it's time to explore Rocket's features. Let's take a look at some of the key functionalities. Budgeting. Create budgets for different categories like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Rocket will help you stay on track and avoid overspending. Spending tracking. See where your money is going with detailed spending reports. Identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Goal setting. Set financial goals, whether it's saving for a vacation, a down payment, or retirement. Rocket will provide personalized recommendations to help you reach your objectives. Investing. If you're interested in investing, Rocket offers a simple and affordable way to start. You can invest in stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Benefits of using Rocket. Transition to a montage of people celebrating financial achievements. Using Rocket can have a significant impact on your financial well-being. Here are some of the key benefits. Increased financial control. Rocket empowers you to take control of your finances by providing you with the tools and insights you need. Improved financial habits. By tracking your spending and setting budgets, you can develop healthier financial habits. Achieved financial goals. Rocket can help you turn your financial dreams into reality by providing a clear path to achieving your goals. Conclusion. Return to the original scene of the person sitting at their desk. So, if you're tired of financial stress and ready to take control of your money, Rocket is the perfect solution. By following these simple steps, you can create a Rocket account and start enjoying the benefits of a more organized and prosperous financial life. Call to action. What are you waiting for? Download the Rocket app or visit their website today and start your journey toward financial freedom. And remember, with Rocket, your financial future is in good hands. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.